To resolve the we cannot currently register this phone number error on your Twitter or X account, consider these solutions. First of all, verify your phone number format. Ensure that your phone number is in the correct international format, including the country code. Use an alternative phone number as well. If possible, try a different phone number, and Twitter may block certain numbers or ranges due to the past spam activity. And if your number has been temporarily blocked after multiple registration attempts, wait a few hours or a day before trying this again. If you've used this phone number for another account, it may already be linked, so log into your existing account or unlink the phone number if needed. And also turn off your VPN as it can sometimes interfere with the phone number registration. And clear your browser or app's cache and cookies as stored data might cause registration issues. For that, tap and hold the application and tap on the eye icon in the top. Then scroll down and go to storage and then click on clear cache. If you're using the browser, try using a different browser or device. Attempt registration using a different device or browser to eliminate the device-specific issues. And if none of the solutions work, reach out to the Twitter's official help and support section for further help. And by following the simple steps, you should be able to register your phone number on Twitter. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe.